How can I lose 25 pounds weight? I know what it's like to be stuck. I lost a little weight and then stopped. I had about 25 to 30 pounds. There was nothing else to go on. I was exercising, eating healthy and not losing excess weight. Here's how I was able to lose the rest of my weight. You can do it too. 1. Rethink your diet. It's time to stop dieting and cut calories. Avoid quick fix fad diets. You usually gain more weight than you were when you started out. Your goal should be to be healthy. Work towards a lifetime goal of a healthy diet and lifestyle changes. And beware, some foods, such as soy and skim milk, which are marketed as health and diet foods, are unhealthy and are actually help make you fat. See our description to find weight lose product. 2. Eat healthy life-giving foods. Choose healthy organic produce, meats, eggs and milk products. Eat plenty of protein, which will help you build muscle and burn fat. 3. Cut out bad carbs and processed foods. Avoid bad carbs, white sugar and white flour. Stay away from processed food as much as possible. It's the bad fats and oils, carbs, preservatives, MSG and food coloring that keep many people overweight. 4. Try cooking with coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best oil that you can use in your diet. It actually promotes weight loss by burning it as fuel for the body rather than storing it as fat. It is a harmless saturated fat that has not been proven to cause heart disease, and may actually help fight heart disease. And you can use it for cooking at high temperatures, unlike olive oil. 5. Get moderate exercise, but don't overdo it. People talk a lot about the need to add more exercise, but too much exercise can be almost as bad as too little. Listen to your body. Start slowly and gradually increase your exercise. Make changes to your exercise routine. Alternate weight training and aerobics exercises on different days. 6. When you still can't lose weight, get some help. Sometimes you just need a little extra help. There are proven herbs and supplements that can give you the extra edge you need to reduce your appetite, boost your metabolism and energy levels, and help you burn fat and build muscle. There are a lot of diet scams out there too, so be careful. I did a lot of research, and tried a lot of supplements with hollow promises, but you can learn from me. I found the best fat burning and weight loss supplements, and they are all in one simple patch that you apply daily. I am really excited about this product. It gave me the extra push when I needed it. Maybe this can help you too. If you want to lose weight or gain, then subscribe our channel and a product link given in description. Buy from there. Thanks for watching.